if I change the way I love it? Maybe if I try to fix this start, then I could have stayed the night. I could have called you mine.
Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to create the look that you just saw in the intro. We're gonna play with some green, some gold. We're also gonna add some glitter. It's gonna be a very glam makeup look. I hope all of you guys are doing well. That coronavirus out there, things are a little bit concerning. I feel like everybody is so confused and we don't really know what's happening. We only know what to do so that we can prevent spreading it, and that's important actually. I think that we should avoid spreading it as much as we can so that we can protect those who can be very badly affected by it. Stay at home as much as you can, wash your hands, avoid going to very crowded places, and yeah, take care, stay safe you guys. Let's just take our minds off it for a while and enjoy a little makeup tutorial. So I ordered these two pillows eyeshadow bases. I got the white one and the shade 01. This is what I'm gonna use today for my eyeshadow primer. I've never used this one before, so this is going to be my first time trying it out. I'm really excited because I've seen so many people using it. It definitely creates very nice smooth base, so I want to see how it will work for me. Okay, I think I made the mistake to use my sponge to blend it, and that didn't give me that full flawless coverage. I think that if I blended it with a brush, it would have covered a lot more. So yeah, I'm gonna try to use it with a brush the next time. For today's look, I'm gonna use this Sigma Enchanted eyeshadow palette. Look at it. I had this palette for so long, but I don't know why I kind of forgot about it, and I haven't used it for so long. I'm gonna mix the shadow coat Terra and Quartz. This is going to be our transition color. Next up, I'm gonna take this more cool toned brown shade and I'm adding that lower in my crease. I'm using that same Zoeva 228 brush. I want to darken it up even more, so I'm switching to a smaller blending brush. This is the Sigma E25, and I'm gonna take this color here called Clay Stone. It's a darker, cool-toned brown shade, so I'm taking some of it on my brush, and I'm gonna add that in the outer corner of my eye and slightly bringing it in my crease. I'm very slowly building up the darkness of this look. I'm gonna also add black, but I'm not starting with the black eyeshadow. I'm starting with the light shades and moving towards the darker ones. So you can go back to that first blending brush that you used, in my case the Zoeva 228, and just go over everything very gently, and that will smooth everything out. Next, I'm gonna take some gel eyeliner. This is the Morphe gel eyeliner in the shade Jet. Okay, so this part is probably the hardest part from this whole look because you're using black gel eyeliner. You want to be careful, you don't want to apply it all over your eyes, right? I'm first starting off by placing that gel eyeliner in the outer half of my lower lashes, and I'm extending it towards the tail of my brow. Obviously I don't want it to be touching the tail of my brow, but hold on, need to take some more. But I want it to be pointing towards the tail of my brow, right? And also bringing it on my eye. That gel eyeliner is a little bit dry, you guys. I'm just gonna get rid of the top layer because it probably dried out. Oh yeah, that's so much better. It's normal for gel eyeliners to dry out like that. It's nothing really unusual. I'm also bringing that gel eyeliner on my eyelid here. Okay, so you wanna have something like this. Obviously, it looks really messy, but don't worry. Now we wanna get this to look like this. This is a very round, stiff brush. I'm gonna take on it some of these two cool toned brown shades, and I'm gonna apply it at the edge, right here. And now, taking some of that black eyeshadow from that palette. If you don't have gel eyeliner, you can just use black eyeshadow. It's not that big of a deal. But adding black gel under the black eyeshadow, it will make it last a little bit longer, and it will also make it look more dark. This is the Sigma E47. It's a nice, small, tapered blending brush. And again, taking some of these cool brown colors. and blending out the edges. And now we need to clean up the outer edge here, because see, I extended it a little bit too much. It looks crazy. Let's fix it. This is just a regular baby wipe. I'm using my nail to clean the eyeshadows and create very nice, sharp, crisp line here at the edge. I just want to take some of this and this shade. We're gonna be using glitter today, but I want to have something green under the green glitter. So this is going to act as a base for my glitter. And for a base for my gold glitter, I'm gonna take this one here. This can be a completed look. You don't need to add the glitter if you don't feel comfortable wearing it. You can definitely stop here. Look at it, it's so pretty. That combo green and gold, it's so beautiful. I'm loving it so much. Now, one thing that you need to know about glitter is that if you decide to wear glitter, you need to do your winged eyeliner or whatever eyeliner you're doing before you add the glitter. That's very, very important. I'm not gonna do any winged eyeliner because the whole eye look is really winged out, but I wanna create a very nice thin line along my lashes, because that way it will be easier for me to camouflage the lash band of my falsies. I'm using again that Morphe gel eyeliner for this. Now before I add the glitter, I have to apply the glitter glue so that I have something on my eyelids where the glitter can stick. I'll first apply my green glitter, so I'm adding it in the center of my eyelids. This is a glitter by BH Cosmetics, it's called Shamrock. And for the gold one, in the inner corner of my eyes, again, BH Cosmetics loose glitter, but this one is in the shade Gold Rush. And boom, there we have it. Oh, I kind of messed it up here. I started off with my foundation and my eyebrows on. I also have my concealer under the eyes. So we're just gonna jump straight to the contour. This right here is the Too Faced Coco sounded like a chicken. This is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette, and I usually like contouring with this light contour shade right here. You can see that it's basically the only color that I've used from this palette. I really like this Benefit Dandelion blush, so I'm gonna take some of it on this brush. I don't know how this brush haven't given up on me. I've had it for so long. I've had it for years. Oh my god, this is a brush by Makeup Forever. Not a single hair has fallen off, and I had it for years and years and years. That's why it's important to invest in good brushes, because they will last you for a very long time. Although you gotta be careful, because there are some expensive brushes out there that are not really good. And there are some really cheap brushes that are absolutely amazing. You just need to do your research before purchasing. I don't know how I even did that. Look, I cracked the lid of that highlighter. How is that possible? I destroy everything I touch. And you know what's next? Setting spray and going over it with my sponge while it's still wet, so that all the products melt into my skin and they look more natural. And moving on to the lashes, I'm gonna curl and coat them with some mascara. And for my falsies today, I'm gonna go with a pair by Tati Lashes. The style is called TL7. I really love this super sharp line here. It's so crisp. I love it. So cool. For the lower lash line, For the lower lash line, I'm going back to that Huda Beauty palette, and I'm gonna take some of this color here. Maybe mix it with this one right next to it. Smudging that under my eyes. I'm also going to take some of this color here. It looks so shiny, so beautiful. And I'm gonna smudge it in the inner. Wow, okay, hold on. I need a smaller brush for this. I'm gonna take some of this eyeshadow on a very small brush, and I'm gonna spray it with some setting spray. This is like a foiled eyeshadow. It's super intense, as you can tell. But when I get it on my brush and I spray it with some setting spray, that will make the eyeshadow pop out even more. It will make it a lot more bright. I am loving this look so much. added some of this shade in the inner corner of my eyes just for some more brightness. I mean, the whole eye look is really, really bright, but you know, I always need some more. It's never, never ever, never enough. Tightlining my waterline. I'm using a very dark shade of green for my waterline. If you don't have green eye pencil, you can also use just a black one. I just had this one, so I decided to use it. And this eye look will really complement brown eyes. Okay, so for my eye pencil today, lip pencil. With eye pencils and lip pencils, you can really tell how much you love them and how much you like using them by their size. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I absolutely love this lip pencil. It's my favorite nude slash neutral slash safe lip color. It's so comfortable. I mean, I feel comfortable wearing it. It's really, really nice. I don't know about you guys, but when I was at school, I had that one favorite pencil and I used it so much. It got so small I couldn't even hold it properly and write with it, but it was my favorite. And this is exactly what will happen with this one too. It's by Motifs, that's the brand's name, and the shade is called Dusty Rose. It's my favorite. I've used it in so many videos, I use it on my everyday basis. It's amazing. Okay, let's do something more lightweight on the lips today because the eyes are really loaded with everything. Everything that you can think of. ColourPop, just a tint, lip crayon in the shade. What's the shade? What is the shade? I have no idea what's the shade. Oh, it's called Island Time. It was on the cup here. And there we have it. Gold, green, really intense, really glam makeup look. This inner corner highlighter, it makes me so happy, but you know what makes me even happier? The glitter. I love, love, love glitter. Give me glitters and shimmers and I'm gonna paint my face with them. And I'm gonna be happy for the rest of the day until I take my makeup off. It's just something about those little sparkly stuff that I absolutely adore. I think that one thing, maybe two things that you should remember when you decide to wear glitter. First, never wear crafting glitter. Never, ever, ever. You want to wear something that is safe to be so close to your eyes. Crafting glitter is not safe, so be careful. Second, I used to make that mistake in the past. I don't do it anymore, but I used to pile on layers of glitter on my eyes thinking that it looks amazing, but it doesn't because it cracks if you use a lot, it moves, it's getting very messy if you use a lot, but it makes it very uncomfortable to wear glitter if you apply too much. So you definitely don't need a lot. A little goes a very, very long way. Honestly, you just need the thinnest layer possible. And if you use loose glitter, be prepared because your house will be covered with it. No matter how careful you are, you will get glitter everywhere. I did that really, really glam makeup look a few days ago. I used purple glitter, I used gold glitter, it was full glam. And 2 days later, I had finished filming that video. I've cleaned everything here. Dimitri had glitter on his face 2 days later. It's still a huge mystery how it ended on his face. It was a purple one, by the way. That's how I knew that it was the glitter that I used in that video. It was kind of cute. It was sitting right here on his face. It was adorable. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, I would really appreciate it if you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you're not already, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell button, which is right next to it, because that way you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. This brush was trying to escape. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'll have all of the links down in the description box. Now if you're bored, you don't really have anything else to do, you want to watch some more makeup tutorials, you can check out the tutorial on this purple makeup look right here, or you can check out this video for a tutorial on a more fresh, wearable makeup look. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!